How to force quit on a Mac. There are several ways to force quit an app on your Mac, depending on your preference and situation. Here are some of the most common methods. Right-click on the app icon. Quit. If the app does not quit, right-click again and select Force Quit. Click on the Apple logo in the menu bar and select Force Quit. A window will appear with a list of open apps. Select the app you want to quit and click Force Quit. Press Option Command Escape on your keyboard to open the Force Quit window. Select the app you want to quit and click Force Quit. Open the Activity Monitor app from the Launchpad or the Utilities folder. Find the app you want to quit and click the Stop button at the top of the window. Choose Quit or Force Quit from the pop-up menu. Open the Terminal app from the Launchpad or the Utilities folder. Type Kilal followed by the name of the app and press Enter. For example, Kilal Safari. Bonus: in addition, if you have multiple apps that need to be closed at once, Quit All is a handy tool that lets you quit multiple apps with a single click. Learn more, how to force an app to quit on your Mac, Apple support. https://support.apple.com/n-a/102586